यू नो 12-15 साल पहले जब मैंने मॉडलिंग शुरू की थी तो बहुत एड्स में क्यूट बच्चे होते थे, अडोरेबल, लाइक यू कांट बिलीव, लेकिन एक बच्ची होती थी, द क्यूटेस्ट आई हैव एवर मेट, द क्यूटेस्ट गर्ल आई हैव शॉट विद, एवरीबॉडी लव्ड ऑन सेट, तो मुझे एटीट्यूड देती थी, आई डोंट नो व्हाई। हमेशा मैं उसके पास जाता था, भागती थी, यू नो उसे पैम्पर करना चाहता था, भागती थी, उसे मुंह बनाती थी, आई डोंट नो व्हाट, थोड़ा स्क्रू ढीला था, आई डोंट नो, बट हमेशा एटीट्यूड देती थी। शी एंड अ मॉमा sitting right next to me right now.
I'm giving you attitude. I don't know you.
Welcome Beena Mom. Welcome to Getting Chatty with Ayaz. I'm so happy आप लोगों ने time निकाला. I know you're shooting constantly.
Yes,
you know.
so am I. I mean, I'm very happy that you've started this great thing. And it's such a lovely thing to be here with my on-screen father, who's looking as young as me today. How uncool is that?
कितने ads किए? I think 3 या 4, मुझे honestly याद भी नहीं कि काफी साल हो गए.
More than 12, I suppose.
More than
11,
12 together?
Yeah.
Actually the cutest girl, मोटी सी ponytail थी, ऐसे बंधी हुई, and just running around the set, constantly भागते रहती थी, but very professional. और आप, I remember used to just let her be, कुछ बोलती नहीं थी, just say ये है.
आज क्यों इतना बोलते हो यार? What is this? What's the problem?
You know, I would like to tell you this. आज मैं ज़्यादा excited थी to meet you after so long.
I know.
Yeah.
I told Aditi. I said, "Dekhe, I need to interview, but please get mom because I haven't met her from so long. From that time, बीच में you stopped modeling."
No, I mean, yeah, not exactly stop, but because of studies, it just got reduced. And after a point, I had made up my mind saying that actually she had made up her mind saying that it's over, forget it, forget this whole zone of modeling, acting, and you know all of that, and let's get into engineering and let's get into like studies
Mom
properly.
भी academically
routine.
inclined है ना, that's why.
Yeah, so she's a teacher right now. Yeah,
Strict teacher.
it's the strictest teacher on this planet.
You heard her shouting at students and all.
Shouting? Oh, forget students, she's too lenient to them. I'm talking about my own self. I'm not a daughter, I'm a student.
You're going to interview her, no? Why are you talking about me?
Yeah,
अरे!
you are the center of attention आज. आप center of attention है.
आप हो तो मैं हूँ ना, so let's talk about you. So yeah, she's the strictest teacher on this planet, and I'm the most troubled child. And yeah, so basically coming back to what I was saying, the whole plan was to get into engineering and all of that. So yeah, I had stopped in between, and then out of nowhere I'm back again now. There was a very ugly phase in between, and I still feel. Yeah, you were asking me na why did I stop? I think I wasn't getting work in that phase.
अच्छा जैसे boys का होता है ना वो.
हाँ, वो phase आता है
12-13 जब मुच्छी निकलने लगती है लड़कों की.
Chubbiness and also chubbiness and all.
Chubbiness
रोलो
तो अभी
बोलो
भी
बोलो.
है. अरे नहीं, I've always been chubby. I'm still chubby. I just hope मेरा future ऐसा ना हो.
You like eating?
I live for eating.
Join the club.
Really?
अरे हर मील के बाद चॉकलेट खाना मिले जरूरी
But
है.
doesn't
कुछ
appear,
मीठा.
doesn't appear on you.
No,
Doesn't appear.
Really?
Here I don't know. Even we are
आप
breathing
सांस लेती
air.
हैं.
हाँ, everything is visible.
Jeans.
नहीं.
I blame her.
I blame my mom.
कहते हैं breathing. What about look? Now, as I said, mashallah, you've grown up to be a gorgeous girl. What you should do more films. What about films?
I'm just waiting for Karan Johar's call. As soon as he calls
Maybe
me.
they don't have the budget right now. कह रहे नहीं मेरा budget डालना पड़ेगा.
No, I would love to do films because it's something that I've always dreamt of, and yeah, I'm willing to do it. It's just that I'm waiting for the right opportunity.
offer.
Yeah. And web, as I said, that you know, it's so amazing because there's short seasons, short episodes with a great storyline.
Yeah.
So it's totally different from TV, and movies on the other hand, they're like 2 hours, 2.5 hours,
Yeah.
like a story.
Yeah.
And web is good stories in a like a longer. But with TV, what happens is you become so adjusting in life and so quick with everything. So that's one very good part
Good thing.
that you
Lighting
get.
किधर है ये किधर
सब
है.
पता चल जाता है आपको, like सब कुछ. Like today I'm sitting with my left profile because I know it's better than
You remember कोई आपको ब्लॉक कर रहा है, आप ऐसे धीरे से मूव कर रहे हो.
Oh
ऐसे धीरे से
God!
मूव कर रहे हो. You know how
This
it
is
is.
the story of my life every day, like I'll fall off sometimes if you उधर जाते
थोड़ा-
It's a
थोड़ा ऐसे
big
shift हो
family.
रहे हैं.
In her show, it's
Yeah,
a big
it's a very
family.
big family and
और वो
all
सबके
fat
expression.
people. All fat people. How do we fit in one master shot?
अच्छा, on screen तो everybody knows how she is. घर पे कैसी हैं ये?
Totally like on screen.
Huh?
Just kidding. I'm not that nice.
So
It's a big see. The torture starts from the
Wake up time, call
the wake up time, the call time. रात को
Call
tension
time is
चल-
my wake up time.
not a morning person.
Not at all.
No,
No,
not
I
at all.
hate mornings. Why do mornings exist?
हाँ हाँ no, so let mom को complete करने दीजिए घर पे आप कैसी हैं
That's exactly why I'm not letting her complete it.
हाँ, घर पे
I don't want
कैसी
her to sleep.
My trouble starts from the morning. In
हाँ.
fact, in the night only when the call time comes. अगर 7 call
अभी भी
time आ
call time
गया.
आपके पास आता है
ओह माय गॉड, मतलब वहीं से टेंशन मुझे चालू हो जाता है कि मेरा ये वजन बढ़ने का वन ऑफ द रीजन इज दैट यू नो
सब
कि सुबह
खानदान
7 बजे उठाना है, उसके लिए मैं 5 बजे उठती हूँ,
हाँ.
फिर उसका खाना वाना सब पैक करके 5:30 से आई स्टार्ट वेकिंग हर अप.
हाँ.
मैडम जाके 7:15 को उठते, 7 के कॉल टाइम पे.
What are you
आई
saying?
होप दिस
क्या-
बालाजी
terrace
guys
पे
don't see
helicopter है
this.
या क्या
Balaji,
है?
guys, please. No, but you know one plus point with me is I get ready like
हाँ,
this.
she is
हाँ.
very
Like I
quick.
get ready like this. That's
हाँ.
exactly where TV has made me super
हाँ.
efficient in life. But the
So
part
she
where I
will say
cannot wake up
when
is
she's
always
going,
gonna be there.
मैं रेडी होके आ रही हूँ, मैं रेडी होके आ रही हूँ.
हाँ.
तो बस
हाँ.
just
So
5
I-
minutes she's on
like,
the
I
set.
वो एक रोड है that is a थोड़ा ट्रैफिक रोड
It's थोड़ा
JVLR ना से जाना
थोड़ा?
पड़ता है
JVLR,
आपको।
थोड़ा
it's full.
it's like I remember I dropped my friend off on the airport and she had to take a flight to Dubai. I dropped her on the airport and she's taken a flight to Dubai. She's reached Dubai, called me, I've landed, I'm still stuck in traffic. I
What
haven't
are you
reached.
saying?
Yeah.
Some evening time, शाम का time है something.
Yeah, imagine. लोग दुबई पहुंच जाते हैं, हम यहाँ से यहाँ नहीं पहुंच
Tiring है, but चलो ये एक इनकी ट्रेट है कि सुबह उठने का. और कैसी है घर में और चीजें?
नहीं, सोना बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है, बहुत ज्यादा पसंद
That's
है.
why your skin is so
कहीं
nice,
पे भी,
maybe.
कहीं पे भी खाना और सोना, खाना और सोना,
हाँ.
कहीं पे भी she can sleep.
Okay, game time. How well do you both know each other? Ready? Question 1. What's Aditi's favorite dish? क्या पसंद है? हाँ, both of you, and then you have to show it to the camera. और एक दूसरे से cheating नहीं
रुको
करने.
रुको, बड़ा लिखे ना.
But this तो मम्मी will know only ना, no, but then she doesn't get into the kitchen, so yeah. Yeah.
See.
Oh,
Not bad, very good. Correct, Bhindi. Aditi's favorite co-star. Who she says, oh, she was so nice, इतना मजा आया set पे, they were there. Okay,
Yeah.
come on. He came on set, Sudesh ji. Wow, yeah, almost similar. Sudesh ji, Ranveer look alike also, no?
No. What have you written? Ranveer when?
When he came
When
on
he
set.
came on set.
No, I like Ranveer Kapoor, but like I've not worked. Like
Work
I
नहीं
know
किया,
him.
हाँ, that's
He
what.
doesn't know what he's missing out on, है ना? Okay. Mom's favorite TV show. No cheating now, please.
not
आप दोनों पे अभी शक होने लगा है.
Hey, मेरे मुझ पे नहीं. Can I change?
No.
What is
चलो,
it?
one was right.
What is it?
All Modi shows.
Every day she watches every hour she's watching some news channel. आज मोदी ने ये कर दिया.
वो
आज
रोज
मोदी
टीवी
जी
पे
ने
आते
ये
किधर
कर
हैं?
दिया.
आते हैं रोज टीवी पे.
नहीं, all
पता नहीं हमारे टीवी पे तो रोज आते हैं, बाकियों का पता नहीं. She
Okay,
is
so-
very
up to
fond
date
of
about what's
news.
happening.
So you
News
got
and
this
all.
right. So that
Yeah.
was good. Okay, next question. Is mom a strict teacher? Yes or no?
wait.
Can you give me a bigger board so I can write yes?
Acha, don't show mom what you did. अरे yes. So you're cutting it. So you are.
We don't have second
ये
opinions.
गेम ना ऐसे ही खेला जाता है.
But we
So
don't
yes.
Yes.
Obviously it's a yes.
अच्छा, one habit people don't know about Aditi. कोई हरकत अच्छी बुरी. Okay, don't show it now. Hold on.
I'm the meanest girl on this planet.
Making terrible faces.
What is it? What has she written?
I don't like to share my food. Making terrible faces.
Yeah. So
Like-
why she's written that is because throughout the day, I don't text her, but I reply her with my
Faces.
pictures.
Faces, yeah.
And I send like really weird pictures of mine to her. It
और
was
वो
so
सब
bad.
हर खाने के बाद होता है.
हाँ.
हर खाने के बाद ऐसा फेस आता है.
अच्छा.
तो आई अंडरस्टैंड हर वेल कि खाना बहुत अच्छा लगा है. कैसा भी इसका फेस हो, बट
Okay, next question. Who is more impatient, mom or you? Patience किस में कम है?
Obviously she'll write my name. Obviously she'll
अरे
write
लिखो
my name.
तो.
And
And
I'll
no
write
share
her
scene.
name. But I am also impatient. But why should I blame myself? I'm impatient because of her.
सी व्हाट आई हैव रिटन.
Oh, super! She agrees. Yes, very nice. I'm proud of you and your honesty.
ट्रू.
If Aditi was not an actress, what would she be?
ये इतना बड़ा क्या लिखा
अलग
है?
लिखा है पर मीनिंग सेम है.
मैंने भी वही लिखा. I've written a person who lives on mom's money for food and shelter and Netflix,
Very good.
which is quite a
I
zero.
think you people know each other very well. Good job. This game is done.
Yay!
Okay, next game. IQ test. सीरियस गेम नहीं है, टेंशन मत लीजिए. फनी क्वेश्चंस एंड फनी आंसर्स. जितने सिली आंसर्स, more chances of you getting it right. Ready?
Yeah.
You are my sister, but I am not your sister. Who am I?
Brother.
Very good.
Yeah.
See, I told you don't have to take so much tension.
Oh my god, I have the best IQ.
What word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters to it?
It's something silly only. Wait. And it's a thing which he's talking about. Basically, the answer is going to be a thing.
When you add er, shorter.
I'm talking about there's going to be a thing in which you add a 2-letter
it's
thing
ER.
and it actually reduces in the like height wise. So tell
दिमाग
me the
लगाना
answer.
है.
Tell me the answer.
Er.
Mom's right. What is the center of gravity?
Oh, sorry, I'm the center of attraction. No, wait.
What is the center of gravity?
Center of gravity is what? अरे बताओ teacher जी.
Center of gravity. What is center of gravity?
बताओ definition खोलो कुछ physics खोलो. Wait.
ज़्यादा
It's not दिमाग वाला चीज. Center of gravity. Center. GRAVITY. V.
Your mom's a pro, man.
V.
It
These
was
are
correct.
Very silly questions. What? You don't need IQ. You just need to be silly to answer these questions.
But she got it, mom got it.
मान जाओ.
Ask me intelligent questions.
Okay, chal, this intelligent question for your daughter. Okay. What's filled with tea, starts and ends with T? Yeah.
What?
What's filled with tea and starts and ends with T?
Oh, I know it. Can I?
No.
Teapot.
She got that
Teapot.
also right.
Teapot.
Teapot.
It starts with T and it's end.
I thought we were letting your Aditi answer it.
No, wait. How does it start and end with T?
Huh?
Now
Teapot?
explain. Please explain.
How does teapot end with T?
Teapot.
अच्छा
POT.
that T. I thought
It is filled
तो उसमें
with
भी
tea.
चाय है.
उसमें भी चाय
अरे
है.
अभी मुझे समझ
It is-
में आया.
हाँ, after the answer.
No, but I was thinking something like TEA, then something, then TEA.
अच्छा,
Like that.
next one she's answering first.
मैं ज़्यादा
Your mom's a pro, yeah. Okay. What can you catch but not throw? If she jumps on you, you'll be able to catch her.
Backbone.
What can you catch but not throw?
Think.
A cold.
No, but you can throw cold also.
कैसे?
Sneeze
If I
करके.
Sneeze करके.
So whose face do you sneeze on?
That depends. No, but I'm just saying that air to air transmission. So you can kind of.
Don't get into.
You got it wrong?
Yeah.
That's it.
All answers.
So you're going to declare the winner.
Winner's already you. Winner's already you. Mom won this.
This is not
Mom
IQ.
won the IQ test. मतलब her IQ is more than yours.
It's not IQ. This is not IQ.
In silliness also IQ is more than yours. Okay, this game finito. Interview done. It was a fabulous interview. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you, Aditi, for
Thank
coming
you.
here.
Thank
Thank you,
you so
Mom,
much.
Veena.
Thank
It was a
you.
pleasure.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Same here.
You're watching Getting Chatty with Ayaz with these two gorgeous ladies, Aditi Bhatia and her mom, Veena Bhatia. And check out our video and please do like, share, subscribe
subscribe.
to our channel, and we'll see you there. Mwah. Love you.